Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a diamond painting completion from GBFKE. It's a 40 by 60. Let me lift this up a little bit so you can kind of get the feel of a street, like that's on the side. Yeah, I like the sidewalks they turned out. Over here, it's pretty good. You got your trolley lines, got Alcatraz out there. I love this. So if we come down here at this angle, now we can see it without the glare. These diamond paintings, I think they look different from wherever you're at in the room. They're just always going to look a little bit different depending on where you place it, where you're standing, what the light is. I'm just blown away by this one. Like, this has never been perfectly clear in the image, you know, because it's tree covering up houses and stuff like that. So this is what I always look at, this house and this car. It's like my focus goes over here. But this one on this side, like, I don't know if they picked the right ABs for that. It's kind of hard to read. Well, it's stuff behind there. It's stuff behind the leaves of the trees. That's what it is. There's houses and stuff back there. Yeah, see, here's the roof of this house. Just like that one. There's a house back there. You just can't really see it. I'm going to hang it up. It might look different on the wall. Okay, let me get it cut. Okay. I hope everybody's having a good day. And Tina, I see that the Temu order I sent her it has been delivered. So I'm like all anxious. I don't know what took it so long. Even the ones I have ordered, they're like holding back on it. On the one order I had, I know it. They were just holding back on it so they could send them both together. And I think it was too big for them to do that. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes in a box. But probably not. Oh, I didn't put a bag back in there. Okay. I wish I had something to sharpen my scissors with. Come on, why are you being this way? I'm going to get a new pair of big scissors. And when I do, I'm going to throw these away. Oh, I was downstairs. Like, I've been doing laundry like mad, you know? Like, steaming the carpets, dusting stuff, cooking, washing the dog, doing laundry, just all kind of stuff. Dishes. So, anyhow, I'm down there in the laundry room, and there's this clear bag, something you get a comforter in, you know, and it had all kind of stuff in it, and I just thought it was my mother's dumb stuff. Like, you know, dumb pieces of pillowcases and table runners and things like that. Well, with some of my stuff in there too. I didn't know. Anyways, I'm washing that. everything, it was like one load of my clothes, and then everything else was pretty much like mats and doggy beds. Same difference. Alright, well, let's just see how it looks, whoops, without that white on it. Okay, something fell behind me. I'm going to ignore that. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take these off and I'm going to put them on the other canvas. So, okay. Peel this one off the wall. Because they have to match up. Whoops. Oh, the damn sticker. It's all sticky. Okay, and anyway, this is how I'm going to do it. I don't know if I should record me doing this. I think it just might be a bunch of nonsense. Okay, yeah, a bunch of nonsense. Alright. Let's get some more. That's the top. Okay, and this side here. Well, yeah, take this one off and put it on the other one first. Okay. And I'll put it up here on that corner. That was this side here. Okay. Match it up. I said match it up. It's not matched. Maybe this side? Yeah, it goes on this one. Okay. See, you gotta match them on the right side. And I'm gonna put this on the side. This one is the bottom. Put that down there. That's this one. And this is the last one on the canvas. I gotta get under the bed and put all these things away. I got a big shipment coming in. And now I need more. I need more. Where did I put it? Over here. It should be over here. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Whatever. Come on now. It better stick better than that. Don't even sing it. Do, do, do. No, 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 no. Is this the right one? Yes. Put it on there. Okay, maybe I should have one in the middle. I can't see where my hand is. Better not. Okay, so let me get it where I want it. Ta-da! That's crooked. That's crooked as all hell, Robin. All right, hold up. Okay, because I like this one. I want that by me. I want to look up and see that all the time. I want to thank GBFKE for letting me do the thing that I do and get these awesome canvases. I love it! Okay, calm down. I'm excited! I should have put it closer to that, but I want to look at this. There's a whole lot of empty space, but the landlord said he's going to paint. He's jacking your wires. I know, he is. I think he is. I think it's still crooked. I think that side's too low. Does it matter? Not right now. Not like 2 centimeters or something. 1 or 2 centimeters. Like one. It's millimeters. It's millimeters off. It's a little bit, I think. I think this side is a little bit low. Yeah, it looks more low in the camera. Maybe I'll fix it. I made it higher. Alright, what about now? Now, it's as good as it's getting. That's it. Yeah. And so when I'm sitting right here, I look up, mostly I see this. And that one would probably be covered by the lamp or something, but I'll see the little street and the sidewalk there. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's take a picture of it for GBFKE. They wanted pictures of some stuff. And we'll get that picture. Boop. Okay. So that's my video for the day. I hope everybody is feeling good about the week ahead. You know, eager to get some summer cleaning done because it's summer now. And I just went through a big day. Like, emotionally, it was a big day. And I'm glad that's over with. But I'm being pretty productive. I think I'm being very productive around the house. I'm giving myself credit where credit is due. Getting all kind of crazy things washed and cleaned, thrown away, in garbage and still working on a diamond painting, making myself oh so happy. You know? Well, let's get a better look at these as I'm saying goodbye. Okay, peace out, guys, and God bless.